New York.
We do. We love getting in the spirit of everybody's traditions and cultures.
The China Institute. Happy New Year. You guys ready? Yeah. All right, do your thing. Let's get at you.
Happy New Year. Nice to have you all here. Can you tell us a little bit about what we saw?
Okay, so this obstacle represents, if you notice the vegetable was hidden.
Yeah.
So this represents overcoming obstacles and improving yourself throughout the year of the ram.
Thank you so much. What's your name?
Brenda.
All right. Well, you also have with us Jamie Heimowitz with the China Institute. Nice to have you with us, James.
Hi.
Tell us a little bit about what you do. It's unusual that you're involved with the Chinese Institute, but you lived there for a long time, right?
I did. I lived in China on and off for 35 years and just came back actually in September after 10 years in Beijing and Hong Kong.
What do we need to know about the Chinese New Year or the Lunar New Year? What is the correct way to put it?
It's both. It's a Lunar New Year and it's celebrated in China, but the lion dance that you just saw actually is celebrated across Asia. It's celebrated in Japan, in Korea, in far as Indonesia, but really it's from Chinese origins.
Fantastic. James, do you mind is it okay to meet the people who
Absolutely. They did a great job. Careful though, you might bite.
Is this a dragon?
No, this is a lion.
Lion.
And he's here to
What are you doing over there?
Did you like my dance?
You weren't dancing,
I
were
was
you?
me the whole time.
He's been practicing a long time.
Joy.
Fantastic. I'm sure that's
Meet the real lion guys.
there are real people in there. Hi, how are you? How long did you practice for?
I've been practicing for a few years now, like 5 years.
What happened? Oh, by the way, what's your name?
Vincent.
Hello, Coco.
What was going on there? You ate a leaf and then you spit it out, it looked like.
Well, that's basically, the Chang is basically represent prosperity, so we just eat it and then spit it out and distribute it to all the people.
It's hard work. You guys are sweating it up. Is it just because of the costume or because you have a lot of movements going
A
on?
lot of movements.
Beautiful. And in the back of the line was, this is Vincent. Your name, sir?
Hi, my name is David.
David? Very impressive. Can we meet everybody from the China Institute, if you don't mind?
Yes.
I think it's Raymond, right? My name's Raymond. Raymond, nice to see you. Just pass it right down.
Merrick. I'm Brandon again.
And I'm Amy.
So, James, how do we celebrate the Lunar New Year? What do we need to do?
Well, you have to first ward off the evil spirits with our lion dance.
So that was good. Did we do that?
Well done.
Okay. Phew.
And China Institute actually has been in New York since 1926.
Now, I was busy under the lion's mask.
You were not.
But you, horrible. You're not Chinese.
I'm not
But he
Chinese.
lived there.
How many years ago again?
I'm there for about 35 years. After 10 years in Beijing and Hong Kong, just moved back to my hometown.
Can you speak the language?
Quick. Yes, I can.
Wait, that means yes. For the rest of us, to say Happy New Year in Chinese, it's Gong,
Well, in Cantonese, it's Gong Hei Fa Choi.
Gong Hei Fat Choi.
And in Mandarin, it's Xin Nian Kuai Le.
Let's stick to the Cantonese.
How about English? Happy New Year.
Okay, Happy New Year. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much.
New Year.
Fantastic.
Happy New Year.
We need all the good luck we possibly can.
All right, how about a little music on the way? Huh?